Hey friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am sharing my honest opinion about Atomix. Atomix is a platform where you earn from home, not by selling, but by harnessing the power of effortless clicks. 100% done-for-you AI traffic and commission system. Get great results, promoting affiliate offers from any affiliate network, including Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Digistore, 24. Everything you need is included. After getting this video, I will explore its features, functionalities, pros and cons, and why it's become a game changer for many online entrepreneurs and marketers. What is Atomix? Atomix is a unique platform designed to allow individuals to earn money from the comfort of their homes without the need for direct sales. Unlike traditional methods where selling products is the primary focus, Atomix leverages the power of effortless clicks to generate income. It offers a novel system where users give away valuable items for free and then earn money as people opt for exciting upgrades. This innovative approach has garnered attention for its ability to turn clicks into cash, making it an attractive option for those looking to earn online without the hassle of selling products directly. Atomix stands out as a game changer in the realm of affiliate marketing. Users can earn money simply by being online and leveraging the platform's capabilities. Whether you're just starting out in the world of online marketing or you're an experienced marketer, Atomix offers opportunities for everyone to generate income effortlessly. One of the key features of Atomix is its 100% done-for-you AI traffic and commission system. This system is designed to deliver exceptional results by promoting affiliate offers from various networks, including Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and Digistore 24. Everything users need to succeed is included, making it a comprehensive solution for those looking to monetize their online presence effectively. How does Atomix work? It works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get your pay link. This is the link that we're getting paid $25 or more every time someone clicks on it, regardless if they buy anything. Step 2. Paste it. Once you've copied your special pay link, paste it where we show you. Just as easy as taking a shower. Step 3. Send traffic. Turn on the built-in traffic to start flooding your pay link with free clicks. We then collect our instant commissions. User opinion in Atomix. Most methods for making money online rarely work. Atomix is very different. It works well, and within 24 hours, I made my first sale online. Looking forward to a great future ahead, and I hope to make 6 figures real soon. Thanks again. This is the greatest program I have ever signed up for. Luke Mings. I'd like to report my results with this new system. It took me around 2 minutes to set up, and in around 12 hours, I made my first profits. The traffic aspect of the system is pretty cool too, and everything is automated. If you're looking for a fast, easy solution to profits online, then jump on this right now. Jesse Stones. How to make money using Atomix. To make money using Atomix, follow these steps. 1. Sign up. Begin by signing up for an account on the Atomix platform. Registration is typically straightforward and involves providing basic information. 2. Explore the platform. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the features and offerings of the Atomix platform. Take the time to understand how the system works and how you can leverage it to your advantage. 3. Give away valuable items. Atomix operates on the principle of giving away valuable items for free. As a user, you'll have access to a range of high-quality products or services that you can offer to others at no cost. 4. Promote upgrades. While giving away free items, Atomix allows you to promote upgrades or additional features to those who opt in. These upgrades typically come with a price tag, and as users choose to upgrade, they'll earn commissions. 5. Utilize AI traffic and commission system. Atomix provides a 100% done-for-you AI traffic and commission system. This system automatically promotes affiliate offers from various networks, including Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and Digistore 24 on your behalf. 6. Monitor performance. Keep track of your performance on the platform. Monitor the number of clicks, conversions, and commissions earned to assess your progress and make adjustments as needed. 7. Scale your efforts. As you become more familiar with Atomix and start to see results, consider scaling your efforts. Explore additional ways to promote upgrades and attract more users to the platform. 8. Stay informed. Stay updated on any changes or updates to the Atomix platform. Being informed about new features or offerings can help you maximize your earning potential. By following these steps and actively participating in the Atomix platform, you can leverage its unique system to make money from home without the need for direct sales. Amazing feature of Atomix. Brand new Atomix profit system. You can use the Atomix system from any device, including Windows, Mac, or even mobile devices such as iPhone and Android. 100% free buyer traffic. Use our 100% free buyer traffic system to send traffic and clicks to any link of your choice. Atomix Triple Pay Link Technology. This is our secret in-house bot that triples all payments we receive, and you're getting private access. World-class training. You'll see how to take full advantage of all features inside Atomix and how to maximize your results. Online success or get private coaching. If you aren't able to get the results you need with Atomix, we'll personally coach you for 6 weeks, along with refunding your entire purchase. Atomix world-class support team, based in the USA and ready to help 24/7. Experience any issues with the software and system, we're here for you. Free bones. And we're not stopping there. Grab Atomix now to claim these launch exclusive. Free bonuses worth $1,000. Free bonus 1. $1,000, zero cost Autobot. Swipe the exact same method we've used to generate an average of $1,000 a day every single day for the past 12 months. It's yours, absolutely free. Free bonus 2. $225 daily ClickBank profit check. Activate the same system we use to get multiple commissions daily. Works perfectly with the system you're buying today. Again, 100% for free. Free bonus 3. $0 to $1,000 a day. In 2 days, you're invited to the private live online event where we'll reveal how we make $1,000 in the next few days. We expect a full house, so turn up early. Free bonus 4. First sale. In the next 11 minutes. This unique loophole let us make our first sale in 11 minutes without a list, paid traffic, or anything else complicated. It's all revealed to you inside. Hey friends, are you a business owner, affiliate marketer, YouTube content creator, make money online blogger and podcasters, founders, CEO, CMO and founders, e-com and AMP, Shopify store owners, social media marketers and coaches, mentors, or gurus? Do you want to million traffic on your website? And you also want to succeed in life? Always stay with us.